Hi humans, today I'm going to show you how to apply for financial aid on Coursera. So to start, first find a course that you want to enroll in. Remember that financial aid is only available to short courses and not to degrees. So I'm on the course Learning How to Learn, which is one of the most popular courses on Coursera. I'm already enrolled in this course, but I can still apply for financial aid. So if you look next to the Go to Course button, you'll see a little button that says Financial Aid Available. Click that button. Once you click that button, you'll get a little pop-up that says applications take at least 15 days to get reviewed. So click continue to the application. Okay, now we've started the application. Before you start your motivation, there's a little bit of an honesty policy. So the one is that everyone shares accurate information on the application and everyone commits to finishing the Coursera courses. I think often people apply for financial aid and then don't actually make the effort to complete. Then we have to write the sentence out. I agree to the terms above. And we click continue. The first information that you have to fill in is your educational background. So I have a master's degree. I don't earn in dollars, so I'll put in some random amount. You choose your employment status and then how much you can afford to pay. So depending on your expenses for the month, you may have family members dependent on you, you may have medical expenses, and you can only contribute $10 a month. This is not actually the amount you pay for your course, but they would like to know how much you can afford to pay. Then you have two questions. Why are you applying for financial aid? And how will taking this course help you achieve your career goals? If you plan on applying for multiple courses, I suggest you write your motivations in a Google Doc. This way you can have it on hand for different courses and you can tweak the motivation as needed. Once you have your two motivations, they just have a few questions on whether you'd be interested in paying low interest loans for your courses. And that's about it. Once you've completed your application, you will get an email to confirm that you've applied for financial aid, and in 15 days or a year whether you're approved or not. This is a great opportunity for those who need financial aid and would like certificates as evidence of their learning. You can integrate your certificates on LinkedIn and you can include it on your CV. And it shows to employers that you've really taken the time and initiative to continue your learning.